everybody, it's Kareem. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a wig demonstration. In my protective styling part 3, I said it was going to be a wig transformation, but it's really more of a wig demonstration. So you see me pulling my hair under a wig cap. I had just taken out some crochet braids, but before I washed it and did all that great stuff, I just decided to do some wig demos. Today I'm doing the Sensationnel instant weave in the Havana style. This is a half wig, just meaning that you can pull out some of your hair and blend it in with the wig. You can also wear this as a full wig because it does have a great bang or ability to be styled in a bang, and that's how you'll see me doing it at first. Basically, I'm just going to pull it out, like finger comb it, and just pull it out with my hands. This wig can get really, really big. In the store on the mannequin, I saw this as like a jumbo afro. So it can get really, really big the more you pull at it. Now I'm just pulling out a little bit of my hair just around the edges to blend it in with the wig. This is, again, like I said, when you wear a half wig, it's a little lighter than a full cap wig. And again, you can blend your hair as long as it goes with the texture. And I know that my natural curly texture goes really great with this hair. So right now I'm just wetting it with some water, and then I'm going to pull out some gel. You could use anything that brings out your curl pattern. I'm using some Eco Styling gel right now. And basically after wetting it, I just apply light gel to my hair and push it back and then brush it back with a brush just to make sure it blends in and there are no edges of the wig showing, but only what would look like it's coming directly from my root. So now I am pinning it because I'm about to pull out my favorite tool in the world, my paddle with no handle. This paddle brush is what I use to volumize any hair, whether it's a wig or crochet braids. I just go in with this paddle brush and then volumize it to the volume that I want the hair to be. Again, this can get really, really big. I got it about twice its size for this look. I have some more pictures over on my blog, so be sure to visit bigbelladonna.com to see the rest of the pictures, and stay tuned for more wig demonstrations. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.